Good day to you, class. Our topic for today for our Visual Techniques 2 is all about the color wheel. The color wheel is a means of organizing the colors in the spectrum. The color wheel consists of 12 sections, each containing one hue. A hue is name of a color. This lesson will discuss its of colors, color harmonies, and how they are created. The primary triad. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue, and are the purest and most intense of all the colors. The intensity of a color is the brightness or dullness of a color. They form a triangle on the color wheel and are colors that cannot be mixed from any other colors. These are the only colors that can be found in nature. The secondary color triad. The secondary colors are orange, green, and violet, and are duller than the primaries because they have been mixed together. The secondary are the product of mixing the three colors of the primary. They form a triangle on the color wheel and are colors that are mixed from primary colors. Example, primary plus another primary equals another secondary. Example here we have red plus yellow equals orange here, and blue plus yellow equals green right here, and red and blue is violet. Now let's go to the intermediate colors. The intermediate or tertiary colors, these colors are yellow, orange, yellow-green, blue-green, blue-violet, red-orange, red-violet, and even duller than the secondary colors because the primary has been mixed with a secondary. Therefore, the tertiary or intermediate colors are product of mixing the primary and secondary. Example right here, the red-orange, yellow plus orange equals yellow-orange. Here, red plus orange equals red-orange. Red and violet equals red-violet, and blue plus violet equals blue-violet, and blue and green equals blue-green, and yellow plus green equals yellow-green. Okay, let's proceed about the analogous colors. There are three groups of analogous colors in the color wheel. Can you determine the colors that are analogous? Analogous colors are at least three colors that sit side by side on a color wheel and have one common hue. Example, yellow, yellow-orange, and orange, right here. Analogous colors cannot have two primary colors in its scheme because the primary colors have nothing in common. The color scheme creates a sense of harmony and is similar in appearance because the colors have a common yellow. The complementary scheme. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite on each other on the color wheel. Imagine the color wheel as a clock. Pick the color directly opposite that number and you will have your complementary colors. Example, green 8 red. Number 2 green right here. Green and red equals complementary. Meaning colors that are directly opposite in the color wheel are complementary colors. A complement absorbs all the light waves the other color reflects and is the strongest contrast to the color. The split complementary scheme. Split complementary colors are three colors that are combined by one hue plus the hues on each side of its complement. As an example, choose the color yellow. Right here. Take a yellow complement which is violet, right here, and take the hues on each side of complement red-violet and blue-violet right here, but not the complement, and combine with the yellow. Yellow, blue, violet, and red-violet. Double split complementary. Double split complementary schemes consist of 4 colors, 2 on either side of the 2 complements, but not original set of colors. The monochromatic color scheme. Monochromatic means single color, or one color hue with the tints and shades of that color. Tint adding white to the color, shade is adding black to the color, and value, lights and darks of an object. The tone is adding gray to a color. The warmth and cool color scheme. Warm and colors. The warm color range from yellow, yellow-orange, orange, red-orange, red, red-violet, and are colors that advance towards you. Meaning to say, warm colors tend to advance towards us, while cool colors is the opposite. Example of cool colors, we have yellow-green, we have green, blue, blue-violet, and violet. Cool colors tend to recede or retreat from us. Example, the horizon is color bluish, therefore the horizon recede from us or retreat. The grayscale. A value scale is a scale of grays running from black to white. Neutral colors. Neutral colors are those colors not found in the color wheel,
of neutral
but
colors:
are mixed by other
white,
colors in the color wheel.
brown, gray, and black.
Emotional properties of colors. What are these? Colors are often associated with emotion. Most people have a favorite colors, probably stemming from long traditions and impressions of color. The feelings one has about certain colors may come from association we have with warm and cool colors in nature. Color emotion. Meaning of colors. Red, often associated with evil, danger, energy, vitality, speed, and courage, of course. That's why in revolution, red is the color of the flags of the revolutionary. Blue, a calm, soothing, and tranquil color, harmony and serenity of divine inspiration, sometimes associated with sadness or depression. Yellow, a cheery color that embodies light, warm. Yellow means energy. Yellow is the source of life. The color of the mind, a creative energy which is joyful and uplifting. White. The white symbolizes purity and sincerity, while black is associated with bad luck, mournful, stark, dramatic. Purple, a symbol for royalty or wealth, also used in magic and stands for the purest and highest ideal. Sophisticated and creative, the purple color. Green signifies life or hope, freshness, nature's most abundant color. It is the balance between warm and cool and the symbol of friendship. Orange. Orange blends with the physical energy of the red, with the intellectual influence of yellow. Here is how to do
Orange
the color wheel,
symbolizes
the 12
friendship.
colors. On the color wheel, step by step. First, find the primary colors on the color wheel. It forms like a triangle. That's why it is called the primary triad, the red, blue, and red. And after applying red, blue, and yellow, you can now start mixing yellow and red. It will produce the color orange, which is a secondary colors. Therefore, mixing primary and primary colors will result to another secondary or a group of colors called the secondary. The blue and red mixed together equals violet. And now, after applying the secondary colors, which is orange, green, and violet, now we can start mixing primaries and secondary and it will result to another group of colors called the tertiary. Example, green and yellow equals yellow-green. The blue and green equals blue-green. So all of the 9 colors in the color wheel are product of mixing primaries and secondary colors. Mixing violet and red is red-violet, and violet is blue-violet. Okay, at the end of the video, we will have an activity of making your own color wheel. Okay guys, ito yung inyong third activity for our subject, Visual Techniques 2. Ang paggawa ng color wheel na gamit ang poster color. Poster color ang ating gagamitin kasi ang poster color ay ang pinakamadali para itong latex kung gamitin. So kung bibili kayo ng pangkulay ay ito ang bilhin nyo, poster color. Okay, at ang gamitin na papel ay yung makapal, yung tinatawag na illustration board. Ang size ng illustration board ay 15 by 20. Ayan, 15 by 20 inches. Ang illustration board ay ang likod ng papel na yan ay carton. Ang likod niyan ay kulay itim. At doon kayo sa kulay puti na surface magdibuho or magdrawing ng diagram ng ating color wheel. So ito yung correct placement, eksaktong placement, tama, ng color wheel. Mag-start sa yellow and then blue, naka-triangle yan kaya tinatawag na primary triad. And then ang mga primary na yan na red, blue, and yellow ay i-mix nyo yan dito sa gitna nya, dito i-mix yan at lalabas yan na green. Ang yellow at blue ay lalabas na green while ang yellow at orange, yan ay lalabas na yellow-orange. Ganon din dito. Sa red and blue is purple or violet ang lalabas. Okay guys, so 15 by 20 illustration board, poster color ang medium. Ang brush na gagamitin ay pointed soft hair brush. Pag bibili kayo sa tindahan, sa bookstore ay soft hair brush. Ang number niyan pwedeng number 2 kasi ang number 1 ay napakaliit, pwedeng number 3 ang number ng brush. Okay, at tingnan nyo na lang doon sa ating video kung paano gawin ang color wheel with 12 colors. At lahat ng activity natin galing sa pre-finals to midterm, I make that to yung mga activity natin galing sa prelim to midterm will be collected on midterm or after the midterm exam. Ilagay nyo lang yan sa brown envelope lahat. Kung kakasya, kung hindi kakasya, i-compile nyo lang. At after sa midterm exam ay isubmit nyo dito sa ating school. Alright, maraming salamat. And don't forget to subscribe also the channel, The Art Lover Millennials. Share nyo na rin at mag-comment kayo doon para ang comment nyo ay ating attendance, na meaning to say ay nanood ka sa video na pinalabas natin, which is our instructional videos. Okay, God bless. Ciao for now. See you on my next video.